Merry Christmas, love.
Thank you, baby.
How dare you! Paul, after everything I did for you.
Let me show you how I created this short movie using AI for free. Now, the first step is image generation. First, you need to generate your AI images. For this step, I am using Google Gemini. There are other free AI tools you can use as well. I already talked about them in my previous videos. You can check those out. So for this project, I only needed 5 images, so I generated them one after the other. And also, I'll be posting the prompt in the description box. So just click on the Google link, copy the prompt, and tweak it, use it to your liking. Once the images are ready, the first AI tool we'll be using is called Quen. So this AI tool is an app and a website, but I'll be using the app because it is easier and more accessible for me. You can download this from your Play Store or your App Store. I already have it installed on my phone. So after opening the app, you upload your image and write a very simple prompt. Just look at the prompt I used. It is extremely simple. She knocks at the door with one hand, saying knock knock in a soft tone. If you don't like the result, don't panic. You can just change your prompt. For example, if you want it to be more aggressive, you can write she knocks at the door aggressively and shouts, come out. That is the power of AI. It is not just a tool, it is about how you direct it. Your creativity comes first, then the AI just follow your instruction. So you can see the result. The result is really good. I love the posture, I love the movement, the overall vibe. I'm not changing anything. Now, let me show you the second one I generated. For the second clip, I used a very simple prompt. This is what I wrote. I wrote, the man kisses her passionately and says in a soft romantic tone, I love you. And this is how it looks right now. The same process, simple prompt and clean results. So I want you to see how it looks so you can actually recreate it yourself. So, not to waste much of your time, let's talk about the second tool. This second tool is unlimited, but with a condition you have to stay on the queue. When you first sign in, you get 10 free credits. The name of this tool is called 12.2. You can upload an image, you can do text to video. There's actually a lot you can do with this AI tool. You can do character motion and a lot. I have already made a video about this character motion on my page, but today we are not doing that. So let's stay focused. We are strictly doing image to video for free, and the process is simple. When you upload your image, you write a simple prompt and you generate. It does come with a watermark, and yes, you have to wait on the queue. Okay, you get 10 free credits, and after those credits are exhausted, you can still generate. All you have to do is to stay on the queue. So once the image is uploaded, you write a very simple prompt. Look at the prompt I used here. The woman standing on the bed gets angry, pushes the man and the woman kissing away, and says in an angry tone, how dare you? That's it. So I just click on generate. You need to stay on the queue for 60 seconds, right? So now I already exhausted the free 10 credit, but that it's okay. We can still generate more videos. So the same process, right? I upload my image. After uploading my image, you look at the second prompt. I wrote, she drives the car angrily and says, after everything I did for you. As you can see, I no longer have credit, but that doesn't matter. I just stay on the queue and it generates. To look at the result, it is so clean and smooth. Yes, it comes with a watermark, and removing the watermark is not an issue. There are many tools you can use to remove watermark. You can use Canva, or you can just trim them away. Okay, so these are my two favorite free AI tools for my workflow. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Okay,
After
bye.
everything I did for you.